Today we are studying about Harappa civilization. The largest settlement along the Indus is Saraswati River Valley, 80% along the Saraswati. John Marshall is the first one to use the term Indus civilization. It belonged to the Protohistoric, Chalcolithic age or Bronze age. This question is being asked that Harappa civilization belongs to which age? Bronze age, Catholic age, Prehistoric. Harappa, Ghaggar, Mohenjo-daro axis represent heartland of it. Harappa, Ghaggar and Mohenjo-daro. Here is a map. You can see this is Harappa civilization. Indus River, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj. There is Narmada. The most important is Sutka Koch, Mundigak, Kot Diji, Mohenjo-daro, Charnodaro, Kalimangan, Alamgir, Rupar, Lothal, Rangpur, so the extreme points is given here. The western point is Sutganga Dor in Pakistan. In UP it is Alamgir, JNK, Mandhaj in Chenab and Daimabad in Maharashtra. This question is asked in UPPSC about Manda in the Chenab. Harappa, where sites where we find something, where we find the things. Harappa, there is a virgin goddess seal, cemetery, R37H, stone symbol of lingam, male sex organ, yoni, clay, figure of mother goddess, wheat and barley. This you have to remember because they have asked about the first type of crop cultivated. So this is wheat, barley, not rice. So Harappa, virgin goddess, figure of the clay figure of the mother goddess, cemetery, stone symbol of lingam, male sex organ, yoni. Now the Harappa is in the Ravi river which is discovered by Dayaram Sahani. Second is Mohenjo-daro. It is on Indus river which is discovered by Rakhal Das Banerjee. Mohenjo-daro, which is why it is famous for great greenery, great bath, longest building of cultivation, longest body of the civilization, great bath. Pashupati seal, bronze image of the nude women dancer, silhouette image of the bearded man, and clay figure of the mother goddess. 50% of total seal find in Mohenjo-daro. Next is Charnodaro. Indus, it is also on the Indus river, discovered by Mickey and the NG Majumdar. It is only city without citadel and terracotta model of bullock cart. For this you have to remember it. Lothal is in Bhogava river and discovered by S.R. Rao. Dockyard, risk husk, fire altar, double burials, and it is famous for the trade. So dockyard you have to remember it. Kalibangan is on the Ghaggar river and discovered by Amalnath Ghosh. It is why it is famous, plugged field, fire altar, bricks, cylindrical seal. For plugged field surface and the fire altar you have to remember it. Dholavira is on the Luni river and discovered by J.P. Joshi. Now Dholavira, has a unique water harvesting system and its store water drainage system. Large bath, only site divided into 3 parts. Only site divided into 3 parts and a unique water harnessing system. Next is Banawali. Banawali is on the Ghagar river and discovered by R.S. Bisht. It is in Haryana. Clear figure of the mother goddess, lack of systematic drainage system and lack of chessboard. Mohenjo-daro is the largest site and Rakhigiri is the India's largest site. So remember these two, don't being confused in it. Mohenjo-daro is the largest site while Rakhigiri is the India's largest site of Indus Valley civilization. What are the common features we found in Indus Valley civilization which is common in all the sites? Systematic town planning on the line of grid system, use of burnt bricks which make the structure really strong, underground drainage system, the most giant is Dholavira, fortified citadel except in all the places except Chanudaro, you can remember is by C and C. And drainage system, underground drainage system, giant is Dholavira, so D is for D. Drainage system Dholavira, citadel and Chanudaro. Crops, the first crop which are cultivated by human beings are wheat and barley. Evidence of cultivation of rice in Lothal and Ragpur only. Other date, mustard, sesame, cotton. First to produce cotton is, that's why they are called Sindon by the Greeks. Except horse, all the animals are found here. Extensive land and foreign trade, yes, foreign trade with Mesopotamia, Sumeria, Iraq and Bahrain. Iron not known to them. Sumerian text refers to the trade with Melua. Sumerian texts refer Indus Valley as Melua. Satugai and Mudikak are the Indus site in the Afghanistan. Sumerian text, two intermediate station, Dilmam Bahrain and Makam Makran Court. Susa and Ur are the Mesopotamia sites where seals are found. Where Susa and Ur are the two sites where Mesopotamia sites where seals are found. So it given evidence that trade taken place during that time. Now from where import taken place? Import, the Indus Valley civilization import gold from Kolar, Karnataka, Afghanistan, Persia and Iran. Silver from Afghanistan, Persia and South India. Copper is Khetri, Rajasthan. Famous Baluchistan, Arabia. Tin is Afghanistan, Bihar. Lapis lazuli is in Afghanistan and jade Central Asia. Steelite iron, Kirthar Hills, Pakistan. Amethyst is Maharashtra. Agate, Chalcedonis and Camerlines is Sumatra, Western India. What Indus Valley civilization export is agri-produce, cotton, goods, terracotta, pottery, certain beards, Chanudaro, coach seal, Lothal, ivory products and copper, etc. Next, the barter system. Indian civilization was primarily urban. Ruler class of this civilization are merchant. No temple found here. An idea of the religion from the statues and the figures. Most common mother goddess the Maitri Devi Shakti. Evidence of Yoni worship. Chief male deity Pashupati Mahadev, surrounded by 4 animals, which are the elephant, which are they. There you can see this is Pashupati and there are 4 animals. There elephant, rhino, buffalo, tiger. So there is elephant in the right side, elephant and tiger, in the left side rhino and buffalo. You can remember it by OO is in the left side and 4 deer at the lowermost part at the bottom. Prevalence of lingam worship, there is Yoni worship, zoolotry animal worship, tree worship. Pictographic script is used in it and it is the Bostrophodon is the oldest script where first line you have to write from left to right and then right to left. In this way this is written. It also referred to Proto-Dravidian Steelite mainly used in the slate. Humpless bull present in most of the India's seal. Complete burials most common method of disposal of dead. Origin of swastik symbol from here. Indra, now there is a decline of Indus Valley civilization, so some person gave the reasons why it happened. Indra Bhagwan, Indra god, accused of causing decline of Indus Valley civilization, is given by M. Wheeler. Rigveda speaks of battle at the place of Harigumpha, which has identified with Harappa, so it is an evidence that Harappa lies that time. Rigveda speaks the battle at the place of Harigumpha. Majority of the scholars believe in that the maker of civilization are Dravidian. So Dravidian are the foremost people. Contemporary civilization of Ice Age, Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the India at the time of Indus civilization. What are the civilization exist is Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the China. So this is all for Indus Valley civilization. You have to learn only this. So thank you very much.